Hello students, let us see the maths paper 1, fifth chapter integration. We have to already study the three exercise, that is the three type of integration. Let us see the next type of integration. Before you start the next type of integration, let us see the sum result. We have to see the sum results without proof. First one, integration of x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Second result, 1 upon a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Third result, 1 upon under root of x square minus a square dx is equal to log of in bracket x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. And the last one, fourth one, integral 1 upon under root of x square plus a square dx is equal to log of in bracket x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. We have to add this fourth result because we have to use this fourth result to solving the integration in exercise number 4. After, see the type of the integration, that is the integration of form px upon qx, that is we have formed the integration of quotient form where degree of p of x greater than degree of q of x is the integration given p of x upon qx. To evaluate integration of p of x upon q of x is divide p of x by q of x, we get the quotient and remainder Rx, and we have to use the formula. You know the formula already in the school section, that is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder here. That means px is equal to divided is px here is equal to quotient q small qx, divisor is capital qx, and remainder there is a rx here. That means the integration of the form here, integral px upon qx dx is equal to integration of qx dx plus integration of rx upon capital qx dx. We have to convert this integral px upon qx is equal to integral qx dx plus integral rx upon qx. This we have to convert the integration here. Then see the next type of integration here. In order to evaluate the integral of the type integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx and integration of 1 upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx, we can use the following step here. Write ax square plus bx plus c as a into x square plus b by ax plus c by a here. That means a get constant here, that is x square plus b by x plus c by a, where a value greater than 0. Take a or under root of a, same in a under root function here, that is a or root a out of the integral side because this a is a constant, that is taking the outside of the integral. Next step, x square plus b by x or b by a x minus x square is expressed by a method of completing square by adding and subtracting 1 by a coefficient of x square. That is, you're finding the third term with the middle term here, that is a half into coefficient of x here, that is a half into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is b by a here, half into b by a the whole square. You're finding the third term and taking the plus and minus here. Okay, then see the next type of integration, that is the integral of the form integration of the form integral of px upon plus q upon ax square bx plus c dx and integral px plus q upon under root ax square plus bx plus dx here. The integral of the form this px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx is evaluating by expressing the integral in the form for a into d by dx of denom ax square plus bx plus c upon ax square plus bx plus c dx plus integral b upon ax square plus bx plus c dx for some constant a and b. The numerator px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b. That means the simple formula is numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b here for that type of integration here. Okay, both of these one. Obtain the value of a and b by equating the coefficient of same power of x on both sides. Replace the px plus q by 2 into ax plus b plus b, because you have to find a derivative of ax square plus bx plus c. Derivative of ax square is 2ax, derivative of bx is b, c is a constant, that is remaining 2ax plus small b here plus capital B as it is in given integral. To get the form of integral px plus q upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx is under evaluating expressing the integral in the form integral to ax plus b upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx plus integral b upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx for constant a and b, that is equal to, this is the integration, you know, the integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to 2, sorry, here under root, that is 2 into root of f of x plus c here, that means under root of x square plus bx plus c here plus integral b upon ax square plus bx plus c here. Okay, we have to see all these type of integration in exercise number 5.4. Let us see the exercise number 5.4 here. See the question number 1. Integration of 1 upon 4x square minus 1 dx. See the solution. Let I is equal to 1 upon 4x square minus 1. Okay, see the integration here, 1 upon 4x square minus 1. Okay, in equation, if you're given equation in a 4 with multiply with x square here, your 4 get constant here 1 upon 4. Okay, अगर इक्वेशन में आपके कौन सा भी कांस्टेंट वैल्यू एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई दिया होगा, तो फर्स्ट वी आउट टू दिस कांस्टेंट वैल्यू, दिस कांस्टेंट वैल्यू कॉमन लेना है, उसको इंटीग्रेशन के आउटसाइड में निकालना है. दैट मीन्स वी आउट टू हियर टेक 1/4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1/4 dx. Okay, if your constant is 4, remaining here 1/4 integration 1 upon x square minus 1/4 dx here. Then next step, I is equal to 1/4 integration of 1 upon x square minus 1/4. 4 means it is a 2 square, 1 square is 1, that is a 1/2 is the bracket square dx, that is the integration is 1 upon x square minus 1/2 x square, that is in the form of the integration is 1 upon x square minus a square dx, and you know the formula is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a here. This formula we have to applying here formula 1/4 into 1 upon 2 into a is 1/2 into log of mod of x minus a value is 1/2 upon x plus 1/2 plus c here. This 2 get cancelled, remaining 1/4 log of, if your cross multiplication 2x minus 1 upon 2, 2x plus 1 upon 2, if your 2 get cancelled, remaining here 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus c. That means the integration of 1 upon 4x square minus 1 dx is equal to 1/4 log mod of 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus c here. Okay. See the next question, question number second. Integration 1 upon x square plus 4x minus 4 here. Okay, we are taking the here middle term, that is a half into coefficient of x the whole square here. Okay, that is half into coefficient of x is 4 here, that is a 4x, that is half into 4 the whole square. Then here 2 2s are 4, that means remaining 2 square is 4, that is we have to adjusting the term here plus minus 4 here. That is I is equal to integration of 1 upon x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4, and then this minus 5 as it is here dx here. Okay, then x square plus 4x plus 4, that is x square plus 4x plus 4, it is a form of x plus 2 the whole square here, and the minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9, and 9 is a 3 square, that means integration becomes integral 1 upon x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 the whole square dx. Again we have to apply the integration of 1 upon x square minus a square, that is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a here, that is 1 upon 2, the value of a is 3, that is 1 upon 2 into 3 log of x plus 2 minus 3, that the value of a is 3, and x plus 2 plus 3, that means 2 into 3 is 6, 1 upon 6 log of x minus 1, that is a 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, that is a x minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 is equal to x plus 5 plus c. That means the integration of 1 upon x square plus 4x minus 5 dx is equal to 1 by 6 log of mod of x minus 1 upon x plus 1, x plus 5 plus c. This you have to find the question number second. Let's see the question number third. Integral x upon 4x square minus 20x square minus 3 here. Okay, first we have to remove the numerator x here, because we have to converting the form of integration of dx upon ax square plus bx plus c, converting the form of this one, that means remove the numerator value x here, that is we have take the integration here integral x upon 4 x raised to 4 is x square the whole square minus 20x square minus t, that is we have to putting the x square is equal to t, derivative of x square is 2x dx is equal to dt, we have to want only this one is x here, that is x dx, that is a 2x dx is equal to dt, to shifting that side, that is x dx is equal to dt upon 2 here. Then shifting this value here, that is new integration form here, I is equal to half into 1 integration 1 upon 4t square minus 20t minus 4 dt is equal to, then again we have to 4t squared, that is 4 get constant outside the integral, that means 1 by 4, already 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 4 integration 1 upon t square minus 5t, that is a 20 divided by 4 and minus 3 by 4 here, 20 by 4 and here minus 3 by 4, that means t square 20 by 4 is 5 and 3 by 4 as it is. That means the integration becomes I is equal to 1 by 8 integration of 1 upon t square minus 5t plus, then we have to finding the third term with here 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4 minus 3 by 4. See this adjust how get we have to take here 25 by 4 here, that is a half into coefficient of t here, and coefficient of t is here 5, that means half into minus 5 the whole square, minus 5 square is 25 upon 2 square is 4, that is a 25 by 4, that is we have to get 25 by plus minus 25 by 4, that means integration is 2 into 4 is 8, 1 by 8 integration 1 upon t square plus 5t plus 25, and this value take in one bracket here, and minus 25 by 4 minus 3 by 4, minus 25 minus 3, denominator is same, minus 28 minus 28 upon 4, 4 sevens are 28, that is equal to 7, that means this a square minus 2ab plus b square, that means the form of t minus 5 by 2 the whole square, and 28 by 4 is 7 here, and we have to convert in the form of x square minus a square, that means integration 1 upon t minus 5 by 2 the whole square minus root 7 the whole square here dt. Then applying the integration dx upon x square minus a square, that is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. Already studied the first two example in this form of, apply here 1 by 8 into 1 upon this 1 by 8 as it is here, 1 upon 2a, value of a is root 7, 1 upon 2 root 7 log of t minus 5 by 2, the x value is t minus 5 by 2 minus root 7 upon x plus a, t minus 5 by 2 plus root 7 plus c, then 8 2s are 16, 1 upon 16 root 7 log of, we have to multiplying numerator denominator by t, that is a 2t minus 5 minus 2 root 7 upon 2t plus 5 plus 2 root 7, sorry we have to one correction in the denominator is 2t minus 5 plus 2 root 7 here. Okay, we have to take the one correction here in denominator here, take the minus sign here. Okay, here minus sign, this one here, and substitute the value of t, that is a 2x square minus 5 minus 2 root 7 upon 2x square here minus 5 taking the sorry plus 5 take the minus 5, that means 2x square minus 5 plus 2 root 7 here in a denominator. Okay, that means the answer of the integral x upon 4x square minus 20x square minus 3 is 1 upon 16 root 7 log of mod of 2x square minus 5 minus 2 root 7 upon 2x square minus 5 plus 2 root 7 plus c here. This we have to solve in the question number third one. Then see the question number 4. Let us see the question number 4 here. Integration of x cube upon 16 x raised to 8 minus 25 dx. See the solution. We have to assume this I is equal to x cube upon 16 x raised to 8 minus 25. Okay, we have to given the highest power, higher power here x raised to 8 and x cube not possible find it directly. First we have to convert this x raised to 8 in the form of x square to the power, see this, x raised to 4 to the power 2, that means 4 2s are 8, that is equal to x raised to 8 here. Converting this way here, that is I is equal to integration x cube upon 16 x raised to 4 the whole square minus 25 dx. Then putting the x raised to 4 is equal to t, because not solving the directly again here, that is a putting the smaller power, that is a 2, that is putting x raised to 4 is equal to t, that means here 16t square. Okay, then derivative of 4x x raised to 4 is 4x cube dx is equal to dt, and x cube dx is equal to dt by 4, that is this x cube and dx, that is dt by 4, and then x raised to 4 is equal to t. Then new integration is formed here, that is 1 by 4 I is equal to 1 by 4 dt upon 16 t square minus 25. Then we have to take the 16 get common here, that means 1 by 16, this 1 by 4 into 16 integral of dt upon t square minus 25 by 16, and 16 fours are 64, 1 upon 64, and then 25 means it is a 5 square, and 16 means it is a 4 square, that is a conventional form of x square minus a square, that is 1 by 64 integration of dt upon t square minus 5 by 4 square, it is the form of x square minus a square, and the integration of x square minus a square is 1 upon x minus a, 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c here, that is I is equal to 1 upon 64 into 1 upon 2 into 5 by 4, the value of a is 5 by 4, log of mod of t minus 5 by 4 upon t plus 5 by 4 plus c here, then 4 ones are series here, 4 ones are 4 and 4 16s are 64, 16 twos are 32, 32 fives are 160 here, that means 1 upon 60. After the calculation of this one, 1 upon 60 log of multiplying by 40 numerator and denominator, that is a 40 minus 5 upon 40 plus 5, that means 1 upon 60 log of mod of 40 minus 5 upon 40 plus 5 plus c, substituting the value of t, that is answer become I is equal to 1 upon 60 log of mod of 4x raised to 4 minus 5 upon 4x raised to 4 plus 5 plus c. Okay, that means the integration of x cube upon 16 x raised to 8 minus 25 dx is equal to 1 upon 60 log of mod of 4x raised to 4 minus 5 upon 4x raised to 4 plus 5 plus c. See the next question, question number 5. Integral 1 upon a square minus b square x square here. See the integration here, we have to multiply with the x square constant value, that means we have to b square get common here, that is I is equal to integration 1 upon b square get constant, that is a square upon b square minus x square dx, this 1 upon b square get outside the integration of 1 upon a upon b the whole square minus x square dx, that is integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx minus dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of a plus x, a minus x plus c is the form of the integration that is I is equal to 1 upon b square into 1 upon 2 value of a is a upon b into log of a plus b plus x upon upon b minus x plus c here. Okay, we have to form the log of 1 upon 2 log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. The value of a is a upon b plus x upon a upon b minus x plus c. That means the final answer become here, this 1b cancel here, remaining 1 upon 2ab into log of dividing, so multiplying both numerator denominator by b, that is a plus bx upon a minus bx plus c. That means the answer becomes of integration 1 upon a square minus b square x square dx is equal to 1 upon 2ab log of a plus bx upon a minus bx plus c. This you have to find the integrations. Next question, question number 6. Integration of 1 upon under root of 3x square plus 8. So the solution at I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of 3x square plus 8 dx, that is I is equal to 1 upon under root of 3 integration of 1 upon 3 get constant, that is under root of 3 1 upon root 3 integration 1 upon under root of x square plus 8 by 3 here. Then I is equal to 1 upon root 3 into integral 1 upon under root of x square plus a under root of 8 by 3 the whole square. That is, we have to form of integration 1 upon under root of x square plus a square, that is equal to log of mod of x plus under root of x square plus a square. This form of integration here, that is 1 upon root 3 log of mod of x plus under root of x square plus a square is under root of 8 upon 3 the whole square is, and the complete solution of this one I is equal to 1 upon root 3 log of x with here 3 x square, that means 3 under root of 3x plus under root of 3 x square plus 8 plus c. This you have to find the integration of 1 upon under root of 3x square plus 8 is equal to 1 upon root 3 log of mod of under root of 3x plus under root of 3x square plus 8 plus c here. Okay, see the next question, question number 7. Integration 1 upon under root of x square minus 8x minus 20 is the solution. Let I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus 8x minus 20. See the middle term, that is a coefficient of x, that is a half into coefficient of x the whole square, that is a half into 8, because coefficient of x is 8 here, half into, sorry, we have to minus 8 here, and here minus here is plus, not problem here because plus sign, that is a 2 4 is a 8, that means it is a 4 square, and 4 square is 16 here, that is we have to adjust plus minus 16, that is the I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 16 minus 20. Then we are taking here this term in a one bracket here, that is x square minus 8x plus 16, and the form of this x minus 4 the whole square, and minus 16 minus 20, minus 16 and minus 20 is minus 36. That means the integration becomes 1 upon under root of x minus 4 the whole square minus 36, and 36 means it is a 3 square, that is integral becomes I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of x minus 4 square minus 6 square dx, and this is your form of the integration 1 upon, sorry, 1 upon under root of x square minus a square, and your answer become log of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c here. This type of integration here, we have to putting the value here, I is equal to, that is the integration of x minus 4 the whole square minus 6 square, that is the I is equal to log of mod of value of x is x minus 4 plus under root of x minus 4 the whole square minus 6 square, and it is the expansion of this term, that is x square minus 8x minus 20. That means the final answer becomes log of x minus 4 plus under root of x square minus 8x minus 20 plus c. Therefore, the solution of the integration 1 upon x under root of x square minus 8x minus 20 dx is equal to log of mod of x minus 4 plus under root of x square minus 8x minus 20 plus c. This you have to finding the integrations here. Okay. Remaining question, so remaining question, that is your homework or practice question. Next exercise, see the next lecture. Thank you.